Hello and welcome to Soft Expert. In this short video, I'll show you how you can install and set up Threads app. Basically, this is a new app and competition to Twitter, a text version of Instagram that is by Meta. And the process is very simple. You just need to install this app and then it will take data from your Instagram. So make sure you have Instagram in your phone and you have logged in there. And as I mentioned, this is a new app, but in one day it has millions of installations and most of the popular personalities have joined this Thread app. So let me show you how you can install and set up this, and it's very simple. You just need to open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Threads. And you will see this app, Threads and Instagram app. You just need to install this, and once you install this app, just open this. You can see this is from Meta. The logo is also similar to Instagram. And after that you will see your Instagram account here, login with Instagram. You just need to click on that. Now you can allow the notification or you can don't allow this. And after that you will see a screen like this. Here on the top you will see your name that is from Instagram, and here you can add and change your bio. And inside link you can link your website, your YouTube channel and so on. And you can make this a private profile, but that is not recommended. And then just click on done. And that's it. This is now my Threads profile, and here I can manage my profile. Here I can manage my activities like replies, mention, verified, and here I can post anything like a tweet. So I can write something and I can upload an image and so on. Let's discard this, and here I can search for a specific person like Imran Khan and I can follow him. And on the home we have a normal home page just like Twitter or Instagram, where we will see the new feeds. And this is a meme, so you know better, Twitter versus Threads. So that's it for this video. Still, if you have any questions you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.